brought in this case because of what they describe as extraordinary conduct.
Never before has there been allegations that a sitting president has, with private individuals and using the levers of power, sought to fundamentally subvert the democratic republic and the electoral system.
And argued that impeachment and conviction through a political process should not be required before a criminal prosecution.
I think it would be awfully scary if there weren't some sort of mechanism by which to reach that criminally.
It's unclear how long it will take the judges to come back with their decision. And from here, this case could go to the full appellate panel or the Supreme Court, though it's unclear if either one of those courts would take up this issue. And Pamela, just as important as the decision is the timing, because the longer it takes to resolve this constitutional question, the less likely it is that the federal election subversion case will go to trial before November.
All right, we'll be keeping an eye on this. Let's dive in a little bit deeper here with former federal prosecutor and CNN legal analyst Elliot Williams. Elliot, so I want to start with this idea presented by Trump's lawyers that a president is immune from any charges relating to official duties, including carrying out an assassination against a political rival, unless the president was convicted or impeached and convicted by Congress first. Does this make any sense to you from a legal perspective?
Oh, not at all.
Okay.
Let's just be blunt here and look. And I've been a lawyer for a while, watched a lot of appeals, and that was the moment when you watch and say, wow, you have lost these judges. And I don't think Trump's team is getting them back. Look, there's a really good argument made that looking back at President Ford and Nixon, this idea that Ford had to pardon Nixon after his crimes inherently means that there's been a recognition before that a president can be held accountable for crimes. If that were the case, Ford wouldn't needed to have had to pardon Nixon. So this whole idea that there's this sphere of conduct that somehow presidents are immune from is just ludicrous. And Judge Florence Pan today was the one that really picked on it, and they didn't have an answer for it because there is no answer for it. You cannot credibly say that a president could call in a drone strike against a peer or a political candidate and not face political accountability for it simply by resigning. So I think that's where